Good morning, guys. No, good afternoon. It's already 1 o'clock. Yeah, welcome to another vlog. Today we are going to explore again another places. Ew, it is now 2 o'clock. I'm a little bit hungry. I'm actually looking at this restaurant. There is a little beach marina. Yeah, they have a restaurant, and I checked the menu online. Inexpensive. It's $30 for some of their menu, like salmon and yeah, Western food, which I don't really like. Look at this. There is one dead fish. I don't know if it's dead or just trap. Yeah, you can see that. That one. Maybe it's just trap, but I can't do anything about it. Or maybe dead already. I don't know. We're getting closer to this pelican. It's not afraid to humans. Sometimes they are trying to catch people. I was not expecting that. In this restaurant, they are already closed, but they still have coffee. It looks very quiet. The trees are not moving. I now have my coffee. It's a Siga Prado. Oh, there's car. Would you like to stay in the caravan like this or in the house like that? I can live there. Hey, look at that. There is one rabbit. He didn't see me yet. Let's zoom it a little bit. I don't know if you can see it now. Yeah, that rabbit. Oh, he ran. There is another one there. Oh yeah, this one is a little small, cute. Australia is dog friendly, but of course there are some places that dogs are not allowed. Like of course the beach, they're not allowed there. Oh, there's no way here. Wrong way, mate. We are exploring, but wrong way. No way there. Yeah, this is the right way to get down here. Yeah, it was a success. You know, that is another good thing here in Australia. There are toilets everywhere. Like maybe every 30 minutes that you are walking, you're going to find a toilet. Yeah, and it's free. Yeah, it's free. Compare that to Europe. In Europe, most of the toilet in Europe, especially in the city, you need to pay for you to be able to use the toilet. Yeah, some of the toilet in Europe, they even have the like you need to drop a coins, but it's the electric. So this is the first toilet that I've seen here in. It is coins operated. If you want to come inside, you need to put 50 cent. I mean 50 cent, 50 euro. I don't know, 50 cents euro, and you'll get in here. And you know this seat, It will go down automatically when you get inside. How to open? It's dirty for sure. Yeah. And compared to Dubai, in Dubai, they have the washer, and aside from the washer, they also have the, of course, the napkin, the tissue paper. Yeah. And compare that to Philippines, in the Philippines, inside the toilet there is no toilet paper and there's no water. Yeah, most of the places, but you can buy the tissue paper outside of the toilet. So those are some of the difference. So it's just that most of the things here are still free. Yeah, my sunset is getting down there. I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a what's that? A time lapse, mate. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, mate, that's it for today. I'm going home now. Thank you for watching. Ciao.